The 2001 Toyota 4Runner uses a simple keyless entry system, not like the smart keys of today. To program a new key fob, you first need to enter Learn mode. This synchronizes the fob's transmitter with your 4Runner's receiver. Get in the driver's seat and close all doors. Insert key into the ignition. Cycle the key between the on position, accessory without starting the engine, and the lock off position rapidly 5 times in a row. End with the key in the on position. Then remove the key. The vehicle should now be in Learn mode, indicated by the security light flashing or the doors locking, unlocking automatically. Be ready to proceed immediately, as there's a time limit. Once in Learn mode, you have about 40 seconds to pair your key fob. Press any button on the fob, like lock or unlock. The doors should lock or unlock to confirm the pairing. If you have additional fobs to program, repeat this step for each fob within the 40-second window. To exit Learn mode, simply open the driver's side door or wait for the 40 seconds to expire. If the programming fails, ensure your 4Runner's battery is fully charged, at least 12.6 volts. Also, check for any ECU faults, especially if your vehicle has high mileage over 150,000. Try disconnecting the car battery for 10 minutes to reset the system. If problems persist, consult a professional mechanic.